Right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Yes. Very, very good evening, guys. Very, very good evening. All right. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, before starting our sessions, as always, let us try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concept which I had covered in our yesterday's class. So, guys, as a matter of fact, yesterday we have started discussing about IO streams. IO streams. I told you what is actually a stream, what is the importance of read method, write method, and I told you in IO streams, yes, there are 4 types of streams are there, like byte streams, character streams, data streams, and object streams. I told you there are 4 types of streams are there, right? So yesterday, I mean, again, one more point I told you that actually when we are speaking about buffered streams, there is one more special category of streams known as buffered streams. Yeah, we'll be discussing about these buffer streams also very soon. Can you please wait for that? So yesterday we have started discussing about byte streams. And yes, I told you what are actually byte streams. Byte streams means generally in byte streams data will be transferred in the form of bytes. The length of each data packet is of 1 byte, and there are 2 abstract classes in byte streams. Those are like input stream and output stream. For both these abstract classes, there are 2 implementation classes like file input stream and file output stream. And we have seen, like yesterday I told you like what is the importance of a read method, and I told you that the return type of read method. What is the return type of read method, guys? What is the return type of read method? The return type of read method is, come on, is exactly int. The return type of read method is int. Yes, so I told you then what this read method will be doing, it is going to return all the ASCII values of the characters which are present in the file. And if there are no characters present in the file, then read method will return -1. And we have already seen the code how to use that -1 also in our yesterday's program. So today we are going to start discussing about character streams, guys. Okay, so guys, yesterday we had seen how to read the data from a file, how to write the data into a file, how to copy the data from one file into another file. And I requested you yesterday to practice the program at least for 3 times. Did you do that? Did you do that? Guys, the people who have practiced at least for 3 times, today the program will be very, very easy for you. Very, very easy for you. Please check this. Now, today we are going to start discussing about character streams. CHRACT here. Character, STREAMS, character streams. Okay. Now, what are these character streams? Guys, just like byte streams, in character streams also, in character streams, data, just a minute. In character streams, data will be transferred. In character streams, data will be transferred in the form of characters. In byte streams, how data is transferred? In byte streams, data is transferred in the form of, in byte streams, data is transferred in the form of bytes. Exactly. In character streams, data will be transferred in the form of characters, and the length of each data packet, the length of each data packet is of 2 bytes. The length of each data packet is of 2 bytes, guys. Here, you need to remember this. You need to remember this. Okay. So guys, in byte streams, just a minute. Let me just try to keep it like this. Right. In byte streams, yes, the data will be transferred in the form of bytes. The length of each data packet is of 1 byte. In character streams, the data will be transferred in the form of characters, and the length of each data packet is of 2 bytes. 2 bytes, guys, 2 bytes. Okay. Kindly please do remember this particular point. Now, just a second. Now, right. Guys, just like byte streams, in character streams also, there are 2 abstract classes, reader class and writer class. 2 abstract classes, reader and just let me try to keep it like this. Sorry. And writer class. These are abstract classes, by the way. Okay. Now, guys, just like byte streams, in character streams also, for both of these abstract classes, we are having 2 implementation classes. Those are file reader, and second one is file writer. File reader and file writer. Guys, are you comparing? Please tell me, are you comparing? Guys, are you comparing? Rajara, you are saying, sir, audio increase. Guys, can you hear my voice clearly? Can you hear my voice clearly? Rajara, please check your speaker connections, buddy. Please check the speaker connections. I believe from my end, it's fine. Okay. Right. Right. Now, guys, just like read method present in, this is important, guys. This is important. Please observe correctly. Just like read method, which is present in file input stream class, for file reader also, you are having same method. Just same method, read method. Read method is also present in file reader class also. The return type of read method which is present in file reader class is integer only. And read method will return ASCII values of the characters. And if there are no characters present in the file, what read method will return, guys? What read method will return? -1. Exactly. Same, guys. Yesterday only I told you. Did you remember that? Guys, if you understand byte streams correctly, rest of the streams are very, very, very easy. I told you, right? Yes. Now. So for file writer also, guys, we will be having, for file writer also, we will be having write method. We'll be having write method like this. Write method will accept two parameters, int, and second parameter is string. Guys, are you comparing? Guys, I want you to please compare. I want you to please compare. Please. Okay. Same read method is also present in file reader class, which will give you ASCII values of the characters, means the return type is integer. And if there are no characters present in the file, read method will return -1. Write method, yes, in file writer, we are having this write method. Write method will accept two kinds of parameters. First one is int, second one is actually byte array. Sorry, second one is string. Okay. Now, shall we see a program, guys? Shall we see the program? Please tell me. Right. Let us start. So today also, in these character streams also, I want to write three methods. File operati1 is file operations 1. Let me go with two more methods. This is file operations 2. This is file operations 3. Okay. Now, in this method, I want to read the data. In this method, I want to write the data. And in this method, what I want to do? What I want to perform? Exactly. Copy the data. That's it. As simple as this. Okay. Now, first, let us go with file operations 1. Okay. Now, tell me, guys, which class object I need to create? Which class object I need to create? File. That is very good, guys. Literally very good. I'm impressed. File reader. Okay. So new file reader. Here, what I need to give, guys? Here, what I need to give? I need to give file path. And just let me try to have a reference. FR. And that reference belongs to file reader. Like this. Now, I believe you know why I'm getting an error here, right? What I need to do? Respond. Don't sit idle. Yes. I need to handle the exception or else throws. Okay, just throws throws exep exception, throws exception. Now, okay, here I need to give the file path, right? Okay. I want to read the data from file 2. Okay. / file 2 like this. Okay. Copy it. file2.txt. Now, just for understanding purpose, system.out.println connection created. Tell me what I need to do. Int x. After that, while. After that, come on. What is the condition? Exactly same yesterday, whatever the condition which we have written, exactly the same condition. X equal to fr dot read, and it should not be equal to -1. Same, exactly the same condition. Okay. After that, system.out.print x. Can I write like this? Can I write like this? Or else, I mean, am I supposed to perform anything? Exactly. I need to perform typecasting, right? Okay. Simply char, char. After that, am I forgetting anything? Am I forgetting anything, guys? Yes, I need to close my resource. Okay. Fr dot close, and I'm just trying to write data retrieved, data retrieved, like that. Okay. Shall we execute my program, guys? Let me go to my main method. Now inside my main method, I'm trying to create an object here. Let me try to create an object, new class A. Okay, just let me try to have a reference. AOBJ belongs to class A, like that. Class A, like that. Now AOBJ dot file operations 1. You know why I'm getting an error here, right? Yes, THROWS throws exception. Throws exception. Am I right? Now let me execute my program. Right click, run as Java application. Java is awesome. Java is awesome. Yes. Did you understand, guys? Tell me, guys. I'm just going to give a 30 seconds of time to just please observe the code here. Just 30 minutes, 30 seconds. Right, right, right. Guys, again, in this 13th line, exactly what we have discussed in our yesterday's class, same concept is there. What read method will do? Read method will do what read method will do, guys? Read method will give you the ASCII values of the characters. ASCII values of the characters, right? So X values will be integers. X values will be integers. So what we need to do? We need to perform typecasting. If you are not performing typecasting, then in the place of this, what you will be getting, guys? You will be getting numbers. Yes. So in order to avoid that, we are performing typecasting like this. I hope it's clear for everyone. Asma, Mahesh, right? Okay, okay. Now, guys, let us try to read the data. Sorry, let us try to write the data. So, guys, please help me out. If I want to write the data, the reason why I have given system.out.println means here I'm using only print here, right? If I am not writing this line number 18, then data retrieved will be present here. Data retrieved will be present along with this line. In order to avoid that, I'm using this system.out.println. Okay. Now, please check that, Shrikant. Please check that. If you check that, you will be understanding. Okay. Now, all right, guys. So, guys, shall we try to write the data into a file? Come on, let's go. Tell me which class object I need to create. Which class object I need to create? File writer. Exactly. Now, please observe here, guys. Okay, just let me come here and here. New file writer. And here I need to give the file path. Okay, I need to give the file path. Just let me try to give this path here like this. And the concept is not yet completed, Nikhil. Equal to, let me go with FW and file writer. Okay, now just let me go with like file 4. Guys, file 4 is not present in this location, right? Only up to file 3 is present. File 4 is not present there. Okay, then we'll do one thing. Just let me try to use throws, throws exception. Okay, throws exception. Now here, just for understanding purpose, system.out.println C1 and ECT1 connection created. Okay, CRATD. Okay, connection created. Okay, now after that, right, I'll be trying to use some data, string data equal to, I'm just writing today is TUESDAY. Today is Tuesday. Just some data, guys, just some data. Okay, now I want to write this data into this file. Tell me which method I need to use. Which method I need to use? Which method? Write method. Now, guys, did you observe write method present in file writer class will accept string data? Am I right or wrong? String data, guys, it directly accepts string data. So can we write like this? FW dot write data like this. What do you say, guys? Yes. Now system.out.println data ENTRED, data entered. And am I forgetting anything? Yes, FW dot close the resource, right? In our yesterday's program, I have used a method. Did you remember that method? In our yesterday's program, I have used a method that is get bytes method. Why? Because write method in file output stream will accept byte array. So I have used get bytes method, which is present in string class. But right now in character streams, write method will accept directly string. So no need to use get bytes method. This is one of the difference between byte streams and character streams. Okay, so now please observe here, guys. Please observe here. Okay, just let me try to keep this in comment. And AOBJ dot file operations 2. Now right click, run as Java application. Connection created, data entered, and I'll be getting my output, that is Tuesday. Now, guys, I just want to write one more, some more data. Today is Tuesday, and TOMORROW tomorrow is Wednesday, like this. Now, if I execute my program, tell me what happens. Old data will be present or old data will be replaced with new data? Old data will be present or replaced? Old data will be replaced. Very good. No, I don't want to replace, guys. Can you please suggest me what I need to do? I don't want my old data to be replaced. What I need to do? Use append mode. Where? Tell me the line number. Tell me the line number. Tell me the line number. Exactly. Line number 26. So here we need to write true. Very good. Now let us check, guys. Right click, run as Java application. Connection created, data entered. Let me open my file and file 4. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Now let us try to copy the data. Tell me. So if I want to copy the data, I need both my classes. Okay. So just let me try to use both the classes here. File reader, and here also I'm writing file writer. Okay, file reader and file writer. So I just want to copy the data from file 4 into file 5. Okay. just let me do this. Let me remove this. So Kamlesh is asking me a question, sir, if file is open, changes reflected or not? Of course, it will be reflected. It will be reflected, Kamlesh. No problem. No problem. Okay. I mean, if it is open, you cannot see the data. You just need to close and open it again. That's it. I mean, we don't have any server, right? We don't have any server. Internally, the data will be present in the file, but if you want to see the data, you need to close it and open it again. Okay. Right. So guys, okay, just let me try to use THROWS throws XCPTAven throws exception. Okay, throws exception like this. Okay, now here, guys, please check this. Okay, file reader, file writer. Okay, just for understanding purpose, system.out.println C1 and ECTN connection CREATD connection created, and I'm going with some int I, some data. After that, while condition, and I believe you know the condition. I is equal to fr dot read, which should not be equal to -1, which should not be equal to -1. Now here, can you please give me the code here? Rajarao, the data will be stored inside the file only. Come on, give me the code. Alpesh, I don't want to print. I want to copy. Datta, I want to copy. I don't want to print. Come on, check it. Check it correctly. Exactly. That is very good, guys. That is literally very good. FW dot write, simply I'll be going with I, and that's it. After that, system.out.println data copied, data COPIED, data copied, and here I'm trying to close FR dot close and FW dot close like this. Now please observe here, guys, right click. Okay, I'll be trying to keep this in comment, and I'll be going with, I mean, AOBJ dot file operations 3. Okay. Right click, run as Java application, connection created, data copied. Let me open the file and my file 5. This is file 5 and this is file 4. I have successfully copied the data from one file into another file by using character streams. Now, shall we try to copy an image also, guys? I want to copy this image. Okay. Yesterday we had tried and copied. We had successfully copied the image also, right? So let us try to do that. Copy it. I'm just changing the file path. That's it. I'm not changing anything. Just file path. And here also, right now I'll be going with pick 3. Okay. Already pick 2 is there. Already pick 2 is there here. Already pick 2 is there. I'm trying to give pick 3. Okay. Let me execute. Right click, run as Java application. Pick 3 created. Wow, this is fast, right? Yesterday, actually, in ByteStreams, it took a little bit time. Did you remember that? Just 1 second or 2 seconds time. But when you're speaking about character streams, it is very fast, right? Okay. So this is pick 1, which we try to copy. And this is pick 3, which we try to copy. Now tell me, which one is actually benefit for copying multimedia data? Multimedia data. Guys, character streams are used to transfer textual data. Byte streams are ideal to transfer both textual data and multimedia data also. I hope, Nikhil, you got the difference between byte streams and character streams. I hope it's clear, guys, right? Right. So, guys, kindly please don't, again, I'm trying to say, please don't try to use character streams whenever you are trying to perform file transferring for multimedia data. Please go with byte streams. Okay. Can you please have this program for me? If possible, try to write this program without seeing. Alpesh, please give the path correctly. Don't say give the path correctly, sir. No, check the path. Pretty much damn sure you did not give the path correctly. Check the path. Please try to write this program, guys. Go ahead. Go ahead. Be fast. Guys, please don't skip. Don't skip. There is a reason why. Did you understand right now yesterday why I told you guys practice for at least for 3 times? Did you understand? That is the only reason I told you yesterday. Practice, guys. Practice, practice. Don't skip practicing. I told you. Right now also I'm saying you to write this program. You'll understand why I'm saying this. If possible, try to write it by your own. You can do this. If you practice yesterday 3 times, right now easily you can write this program. Go ahead. Go ahead. Guys, method 1 complete for everyone. I mean, file operations 1 completed. I believe it's completed. Okay, it's okay. Take time. It's okay. Not at all a trouble. Take time. No issues. No hurries. Take time. Raghava, yes, it's such a shortcut. Yeah, you can go, Krishna, no problem. Right, guys, I hope it's complete for everyone. Is it done? Is it done? Right. I hope it's completed, guys. Right. I'm removing this. Let me remove this. Okay. Right. Let me save it. So guys, I told you there are 4 types of streams are there. Sorry. Yeah. 4 types of streams are there: byte streams, character streams, data streams, and object streams. We have completed byte streams and character streams. In byte streams, I told you data will be transferred in the form of bytes, and the length of each data packet is of 1 byte. Okay. And in character streams, the data will be transferred in the form of characters, and the length of each data packet is of 2 bytes. Guys, generally, Mahesh, you're asking me, sir, what is like 1 byte or 2 bytes? I did not understand that. Mahesh, generally, if you are trying to travel from your home to any other location, you will calculate the distance in either in kilometers, right? Likewise, that is actually a unit to measure the distance. Likewise, if the data is transferring, whenever we are dealing with our IO streams, if the data is transferring from one file to another file, we will deal like the data is transferring in the form of packets. Are you understanding me, Mahesh? It is a unit to measure, as simple as this. Okay. So the length of each data packet in bytes is, in byte streams is 1 byte. In character streams, that is 2 bytes. As simple as this. Okay. Right. So guys, right now we will be trying to discuss about buffered streams. Okay. Right. Just let me try to save it. Okay. Save it. Close. Open one more file. Okay. Buffered streams. You need to concentrate correctly, please, here. Buffered streams. Okay. Buffered streams. Now, guys, there are 2 types of streams are there. I already told you. Buffered streams are compatible for byte streams and character streams. Right? Buffered streams are compatible for byte streams and character streams. Just let me, guys, please observe the diagram correctly, okay? If you observe the diagram correctly, easily you'll be able to understand. Right. Now, basically, what are these buffered streams, guys? In byte streams and character streams, if you are trying to read and write the data, if you are trying to copy the data from one file into another file by using byte streams or character streams, it may take little bit more time. Little bit more time. Why? Because byte streams and character streams will invoke underlying operating system. But if you are trying to use buffered streams, that much of burden will not be present. Okay, let me show you. Guys, can you please read this point for me? Slowly. In IO operations means in input output operations. In input output operations, each read or write request, whenever we are trying to use read method, see, we are trying to call multiple times read method. Am I right or wrong? Like in while loop, we are trying to call multiple times read method, right? Each read method or else write request, like whenever we are calling read method or else whenever we are calling write method, it is directly handled by your underlying operating system. This actually can make our program little bit more time. In order to handle that directly by the underlying operating system, it will take a little bit more time, like in order to get the output. Why? Because it often triggers disk access, network activity, some other relative operations will be there. Lot of factors are, lot of factors will come into place when we are trying to use IO streams directly. Instead of using IO streams directly, means instead of using these read and write operations directly, if you are trying to use that with the help of a buffer, guys, point number one, what is actually a buffer? Buffer is a memory. Okay, it is a memory. Means if you are trying to read the data from a file, that data will not be directly entered into the file. First, it will be entering into a buffer. Guys, one more time I am saying you. Let us think that file 1 and file 2 are there. Okay. For file 1, inside file 1, you are having some data. You want to copy that data from file 1 into file 2. If you want to copy, if you are directly using read method and write method, generally we need to use, read method and write method, right? So whenever you are using read method, directly that read and write method, like read and write operations will be handled by the underlying operating system. Instead of doing like that, we will be trying to use a buffer. Means whenever you are trying to read the data, that data will be first retrieved into a buffer. After that, from that buffer, the data will be present into the transferred into the file. That is destination file. From the source file, the data will be present, like the data will be first coming into a buffer. What is a buffer, guys? What is a buffer? Buffer is a memory. Exactly. From the source file, the data will be first transferred into a buffer. From that buffer memory, the data will be transferred into the destination file. As simple as it is. So if you are trying to use this buffer memory, then what will be happening? The program will be more efficient than the directly using file streams, that is IO streams. Guys, simple here, one line. Can you please read this? Can you please read this last point? Can you please read this last point? Exactly, Manoj. Exactly. Can you please read this last point? Buffered streams are exactly same like byte streams and character streams. Same method, same read method, same write method. A read method will return ASCII values of the character. If there are no characters present in the file, read method will return -1. And write method, actually there are two kinds of write method I told you. First, like in byte streams, write method will accept only two parameters, that is int and byte array. And write method, which is present in character strings, will accept two parameters, that is int and string. Guys, basically same here, but with little bit more efficiency. Shall we try to see a program on this buffered streams? But before going to this buffered streams, I just want to write a little bit paint data here, guys. Now, byte streams. In byte streams, for byte streams, you are having an implementation class known as buffered input stream. you are having this implementation class known as buffered input stream, okay, for byte streams. And one more class, that is buffered output stream, buffered input stream and buffered output stream, like this. Okay. Now, guys, buffered input stream will be taking file input stream as a source for its data. File input stream, file input stream class as a source for its data. And buffered output stream will take file output stream as a source for its data. File output stream as a source for its data. Okay, just let me try to write it like this. In buffered input stream also you are having read method. Buffered output stream also you will be having which method, guys? In buffered output stream class you will be having which method? In buffered output stream you will be having which method? Exactly. Write method. Sir, what is this? I mean, you are saying that file input stream will be acting as a source, S-O-U-R-C, source for its data. What is the meaning of that? Wait for it. I'll be trying to write a program. If I write the program, immediately you will be able to understand that. Okay, wait for it. Now, let us come to character streams. Guys, just a second. Just give me a minute. Guys, can you please give me 2 minutes of time? Just 2 minutes. Thank you. Just 2 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, 2 minutes. Right. Okay. So yes. Now, what Pranita is saying? No. Okay. Fine. All right, guys. Character streams. Now, in character streams, yes. For character streams also, we are having two classes, guys. For character streams also, we are having two classes. What are those two classes? Buffered. Any guess? Any guess? Buffered. Exactly. Reader. Buffered reader and BUFFER, buffered writer. Buffered reader and buffered writer. Okay. Now, guys, exactly same like buffered input stream. For buffered reader also, we are having like it will accept one class as a source for its data. Can you please guess what is that class? Just guess. Exactly. File reader. File character streams. Mukesh, character streams. Come on, character streams. File reader. Okay. Now here, file writer. Right. Just let me try to get it like this. Okay. And here also like this. Now just let me try to remove this. And here I'm trying to write this as SOURC, source for its data. Okay, so guys, kindly please understand this diagram correctly. Okay, please understand this diagram correctly. Let me try to explain this once again. Right. So guys, there are buffered streams are there. Buffered streams. Now, these buffered streams are allocated only for byte streams and character streams. You know that there are 4 types of streams are there: byte streams, character streams, data streams, and object streams. You know that there are 4 types of streams are there: byte streams, character streams, data streams, and object streams. Okay, so right now we are trying to discuss about buffered streams. These buffered streams are specially allocated only for byte streams and character streams. What is the use of these buffered streams? Basically, guys, if you are using, like if you are trying to read and write the data by using byte streams or character streams directly, then what will be happening? Like your program is a little bit less efficient. Why? Because every time you need to, like whenever you are trying to call read method or else write method, you need to trigger your OS. So a lot of network activities are required. So in order to avoid that, we'll be using buffered streams. Basically, what is a buffer? Buffer means it is a portion of memory. Okay. Instead of directly writing into a file or else reading from the file, first the data will be present inside a buffer. From that buffer, I told you it's a memory. From that buffer, the data will be either written into the file, or else if you want to read it into a console, you can do that. You can read that. As simple as this. Okay. So finally, one last point what I want to say is buffered streams are exactly same like byte streams and character streams, but with more efficiency. Just one line. Okay. Now here, guys, if you are trying to see this buffered streams, in byte streams, you are having 2 classes are there: buffered input stream and buffered output stream. In character streams, you are having 2 classes are there, like buffered reader and buffered writer. Now, buffered input stream. This buffered input stream will be accepting file input stream as a source for its data. Buffered output stream will be accepting file output stream as a source for its data. So what is the source for its data? We did not understand. Wait for it. Wait for it. Now, character streams. When you're speaking about these character streams also, okay, buffered reader. In character streams, we are having buffered reader class and buffered writer class. Buffered reader class will accept file reader as a source for its data, and buffered writer class will be accepting file writer as a source for its data. Now, let us try to see a small program, guys. Void file OPE. Okay. RATI1 file operations 1 like this. Okay. Now, please observe here, guys. New buffered. Guys, I want to use buffered byte streams to read a data from a file. I want to use buffered byte streams to read the data from a file. Okay, buffered input stream, buffered input stream will be accepting file input stream as a source for its data. Guys, see, please observe here. Let me remove this. Now, this you already know, guys. Equal to, let me go with BIS, buffered input stream belongs to buffered input stream like this. Okay, this you already know that. Now, what I want to do, guys, here we need to give the file path. Am I right or wrong? Here we need to give the file path, right? But instead of giving the file path directly, we need to use which class? We need to use file input stream. Right now, did you understand? Buffered input stream will be taking file input stream as a source for its data. Did you understand it, guys? So here I'll be trying to create an object for file input stream class, and here I need to give the file path. So just let me try to have this file. Okay, file 5.txt like this. I want to read that file 5 here. Okay. And now, guys, can you please help me out? Why I'm getting an error? Can you please help me out? Why I'm getting an error? Throws exception. Exactly. THROWS throws EXCPTAN throws exception. So right now, guys, okay, just for understanding purpose, system.out.println, connection CONNECT connection created. Okay, connection created. Now, guys, tell me, can you please help me out? What I need to do? What I need to write? Just give me the message, like give me the code. Give me the code. I got the code from Manoj, Bhuvneshwar, Nikhil, Krishna, Rabia, Rupika. Yes, exactly. Go with int x. After that, give me the code. After that, while now give me the code. What I need to write here? While, guys, again I'm saying you, buffered streams are exactly same like byte streams and character streams. Same methods will be available. Same methods. So simply what I want to do, BIS dot read method. I told you guys, I told you, read method. It should not be equal to -1, -1 like this. Now, can you please tell me what I need to write here? Can you please tell me what I need to write? System.out.print. I'm just going with typecast char of X like this. Am I right? Here I need to write X is equal to. Guys, I think I'm having a small, okay, hang on. Like this. Now it is fine. Now it is fine. Okay. Right. Now, okay. System.out.println and just let me try to write SYSO data retrieved, data RETRIVD, data retrieved, and here I'm just trying to write yeah, I think I'm forgetting to close BIS dot close. Let me close the resource. As simple as this. Let me close the resource. Okay. Now guys, main method. Inside my main method, let me try to create an object. New class A. Let me try to have a reference equal to AOBJ belongs to class A like that. And here AOBJ dot file operations 1 like this. File operations 1. And I'm pretty much damn sure you know why I'm getting an error here. I'll do one thing. I just want to write try block here. I mean, previously, every time we are trying to write, I mean, escaping from exception handling, just for once, let us try to write catch block. Okay, catch block. I'm just trying to write catch block. And here, guys, I believe you know, if I want to see the exception message, which method I need to use? Exception message. Exactly. E dot print stack trace method. And after that, I'll be writing finally block also system.out.println, and here I'll just trying to write a small statement. Java is awesome like this. Okay. Now let me execute my program. Right click, run as Java application. Hang on. Yeah, file 5. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. And today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday, data is retrieved, and Java is awesome. Am I right or wrong, guys? Buffered input string. For example, guys, please check this. Here only I want to write new buffered output stream, which will be accepting new file output stream as a source for its data file path. We need to give like this, right? Just let me try to go equal to buffered output stream BOS belongs to buffered output stream like this. This is the code for buffered output stream. In the same manner, new buffered reader, which will be accepting file reader as a source for its data. Just let me try to have equal to BR belongs to buffered reader. In the same manner, new buffered writer. Tell me what will accept? It will accept new buffered. New file writer as a source for its data. Here, just let me go with file path. File path. And here equal to, just let me go with like BW belongs to buffered writer. Buffered writer like this. I'll do one thing, guys. Just let me try to go with this notepad and this also. Here, simply I'll be trying to write file path. File path like this. These is the syntax for, these two are the syntaxes for buffered byte streams. Just let me try to get it like this. Now, oops, sorry. Okay. These two. Oops, just a second. Okay. And buffered reader. Like this. And one more. Like this. Okay. Just let me try to write buffered byte streams. Buffered byte streams. And this is the syntax for buffered character streams. Like this. Okay. Now, guys, my question is actually, I have given a program for buffered input stream. Can you write programs for buffered output stream, buffered reader, and buffered writer? Can you write? Guys, you need to respond. You need to respond. I'm giving you a task. Right now, I'm giving you a task. Yes? Exactly same. Exactly same. So please accept this as a task. Have this program first. Please have this program first. Did you observe? All these are the classes. Buffered input stream, buffered output stream, buffer reader, buffer writer, file input stream, file output stream, file reader, file writer. Yes. In which package these are present? All these are present in java.io package. Exactly. Please have this program for me, guys. Please have this program. Go ahead. Yeah, you can write like that, Yogesh. Not at all a problem. If you want to like directly write io dot star, you can write, no issues. Okay. Shrikant, can you see the screen? Okay, fine. Maybe there is a small network problem, I guess. Ravi, your question is, can we copy text from one image file to another? Yeah, we can do that, Ravi, but in order to do that, we should be using some jar files, like it will be present in your advanced, not even an advanced. In Spring, it will be there. That is far more advanced than core Java. Okay, Ravi? Yes. Krishna, yes, it is there. Kamlesh, do one thing, Kamlesh, you just please eliminate, check and tell me. You just eliminate and check. Then you'll understand, right? Yes, you can do experiments with the code, no problem. No problem. Make that happen. Make that happen. If you're having any trouble, I'm there now. Right? Okay. Mahesh, I did not understand your question. Okay. Please listen to the class correctly, Mahesh. Did I tell you that buffered input stream is abstract class? Did I tell you that? Did you listen, Mahesh? Concentrate on the class, buddy. Please concentrate on the class. Alpesh, you can write, but there you will be getting like an object, but it is better way. Okay. Mahesh, please go with the notes correctly. Please go with the notes correctly, Mahesh. Okay. That class is different. This class is different. Gaurav, any advanced Java? I'm not sure, Gaurav. Like you can follow with the like Mahesh IT website, please. Please check with that once, Gaurav. If I'm having any information, definitely I'm going to update it. Okay. Right. And Mukesh, you're saying, sir, please teach us advanced Java also in the same timing. Okay, Mukesh, I'm not sure like whether I'll be able to go with advanced Java or not. Right now, my schedule is a little bit tight, buddy. I cannot promise you that I'll be dealing with advanced. Why you want advanced also me only? Why again me here? Please complete it. Krishna, another example of daemon thread. Krishna, basically daemon thread in the sense garbage collector only will be coming into the mind immediately. But you can go with finalizer also is there. Like that is one more thread. But mostly immediately when you are speaking about daemon thread, the very first thread that is going to come is garbage collector only. Let me be very frank with you. Okay. Yes, yes. If you want to make a thread as daemon thread, we can do that. But predefined threads, obviously garbage collector. That is the very first thread that is coming into my mind. Okay, guys. I hope it's complete for everyone. Is it done, guys? Is it done? Right, right. All right, guys. Monica, I cannot say yes for that, Tali. Why? Because that will be covered under testing mechanism, like testing department. That should not be covered in core. So please don't mind. If time permits, I can help you. I cannot promise you anything, Monica. Okay. Right. I mean, that whatever the question which you asked me, that will be covered under manual testing, like in order to create test cases, generate test cases, generate tickets. Okay. All right. All right. All right, guys. I hope it's covered for everyone. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. Just a minute. Let me remove this. Okay. Okay. Now, just let me save it. Right. Okay. Now, guys, our next topic is, I mean, I told you there are, where it is, just a second. Yes. I told you there are 4 streams are there, like byte streams, character streams, data streams, and object streams. First, we have covered byte streams. After that, we have covered character streams. Then I gave you a task related to buffered streams, right? Now, data streams. Data, S-T-R-E-A-M-S, data streams. Okay. So, okay, guys, I'm getting messages like tomorrow. What do you say, guys? Shall I continue tomorrow or else continue now? What is your opinion? Okay. So almost everyone is saying me that tomorrow. Okay. Guys, I can find no problem here. But if I'm trying to, the thing is like, if I'm trying to go like according to the topic, then you're thinking like, sir is taking only 1 hour. You're thinking like that. I don't want that to be happen. That is the reason. Is it okay if I continue tomorrow? Guys, the thing is, Java excites me. Trust me when I say that. Okay. I can go on. No problem. Okay, guys, I understand. No issues. We'll be trying to continue with our session again by tomorrow, guys. Okay. No problem. Take a break. Enjoy your day. We'll be trying to continue our session again by tomorrow. Okay. Good night, guys. Good night. Have a great day, guys. Have a great day.